Hello and welcome back to Learning English Pro. I'm Ger, your tutor and narrator for this lesson. Today we have an exciting word list for all you car enthusiasts out there. In this video we're going to explore some essential automotive tools and equipment. And as usual, all the terms and definitions are waiting for you in the video description if you wish to revise after the video. Our first term is wrench in American English. And in British English, it is often referred to as a spanner. A wrench or spanner is a handy tool for turning nuts and bolts. Next up, we have the screwdriver. This name is shared in both American and British English. This tool is perfect for tightening or loosening screws in your car's components, like the engine or the interior. A jack is called the same in both American and British English. It is a lifting tool that allows you to raise your car off the ground, essential for tasks like changing tires. Pliers are versatile tools. They help with gripping, bending, and cutting wires and other materials. A tire pressure gauge is crucial for maintaining proper tire pressure, which is essential for safe and efficient driving. We have a slight spelling difference with the word tire in American and British English. You can see that on screen. An oil filter wrench is a type of wrench designed to remove and replace the oil filter in your car's engine. Jumper cables is the term used for this piece of equipment in American English. In British English, they are often called jump leads. These tools are used to jump start a car with a dead battery by transferring power from another vehicle. Something very handy for aspiring mechanics is a socket set. It's a collection of socket wrenches and accessories, perfect for various automotive tasks. There is still lots more vocabulary to come in this lesson, but I just thought I'd let you know on my channel page I have lots of additional vocabulary lessons relating to cars and driving. Some of those are linked on screen and I have them all linked down in the video description waiting for you, so make sure to check those out. A grease gun is used to apply lubricating grease to components like bearings and joints, ensuring smooth operation. A multimeter is a type of electrical diagnostic tool which measures voltage, current, and resistance in your car's electrical system. Let's move on to spark plug gap gauge. This helps to ensure the proper gap between the spark plug electrodes, crucial for engine performance. A brake bleeder kit is an essential tool for removing air from the brake system, maintaining proper brake function. A timing light is used to adjust the ignition timing of the engine for optimal performance. Another piece of essential equipment is an OBD2 scanner. This is used for diagnostics and maintains its name in both American and British English. It reads and interprets your car's onboard computer for troubleshooting. Let's move on to torque wrench. This tool is crucial for tightening bolts to the manufacturer's specifications, preventing over-tightening or under-tightening. And there you have it, our Car Tools vocabulary with added bonus of highlighting the differences between British and American English terminology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for informative word lists. Click here for a video on driving vocabulary and click here for a video on car parts. Have a fantastic day and remember, keep learning English like a pro.